Rhetoric is the art and study of effective communication, with a focus on persuasion and the strategic use of language to influence an audience. Rooted in ancient Greek philosophy, rhetoric encompasses a range of techniques and principles employed in speech, writing, and other forms of expression. Here are key aspects of rhetoric. 1. Persuasion. At its core, rhetoric is concerned with persuasion. It involves crafting messages and arguments with the aim of influencing, convincing, or motivating an audience. Rhetorical techniques are employed to appeal to emotions, reason, and values in order to achieve a persuasive effect. 2. The rhetorical triangle. The rhetorical triangle, also known as Aristotle's triangle, comprises three essential elements in communication: ethos, credibility and ethical appeal; pathos, emotional appeal; and logos, logical appeal. Effective rhetoric balances these elements to build a persuasive case. 3. Figures of speech. Rhetoric employs various figures of speech to enhance expression and impact. Examples include metaphors, similes, hyperbole, and personification. These figures contribute to the aesthetic quality of language and can evoke powerful imagery and emotions. 4. Appeals to audience. Understanding the audience is a key aspect of rhetoric. Rhetoricians tailor their messages to appeal to the values, beliefs, and interests of their specific audience. This involves considering the cultural, social, and demographic factors that shape audience perspectives. 5. Style and tone. Rhetorical style encompasses the choices a speaker or writer makes regarding language, sentence structure, and tone. A skilled rhetorician adapts their style to the rhetorical situation, aiming to establish a connection with the audience and convey their message effectively. 6. Invention. Invention, one of the classical canons of rhetoric, involves the generation of ideas and arguments. Rhetoricians use various techniques, such as brainstorming and research, to develop compelling and persuasive content for their communication. 7. Arrangement. Arrangement refers to the organization and structure of a rhetorical composition. This includes considerations of introduction, body, and conclusion, as well as the strategic placement of key arguments and supporting evidence for maximum impact. 8. Memory. Memory, another classical canon of rhetoric, pertains to the speaker's ability to recall and deliver their message effectively. While less prominent in contemporary rhetoric, memory historically involved the use of mnemonic devices to aid in memorization. 9. Delivery. Delivery focuses on how a rhetorical message is physically presented. This includes considerations of voice modulation, gestures, facial expressions, and overall presentation style. Effective delivery enhances the impact and persuasiveness of the message. 10. Context and kairos. Rhetoric is sensitive to context, recognizing that the effectiveness of communication depends on the situation. Kairos, the opportune moment for persuasion, is a concept integral to rhetorical timing. A rhetorician seizes the right moment to convey their message for maximum impact. 11. Rhetorical analysis. Rhetorical analysis involves examining a text or speech to understand how rhetorical techniques are employed. This analytical approach helps uncover the strategies used by communicators to achieve their persuasive goals. Rhetoric is a dynamic and evolving field that continues to influence communication across various domains, including politics, advertising, law, and public speaking. The principles of rhetoric provide a foundation for understanding how language shapes perception, and mastering rhetorical skills is valuable in crafting compelling and persuasive messages.